Gaming PC Troubleshooting Instruction. Fix common PC building issues with this video. Booting difficulties. Loose cables or power supplies may cause this. Check all plugs and connections. Replace the power cable or source if it doesn't function. Graphics card issues. Bad connections or driver installations might disable your graphics card. Examine your graphics card's PCIe slot and connections. Check graphics card drivers. Install otherwise. Often overheat. Poor cooling or cable management may cause this. Verify thermal paste application. Next, examine fans and component airflow. Software issues. Games and apps may not install due to low storage or incorrect install files. Start with ample storage. Re-download the installation file or utilize another source. Troubleshoot and repair your new gaming PC setup.